Mistplay pays you for playing mobile games, while InboxDollars pays you for doing a mix of online tasks like surveys, reading emails, watching content, and trying offers, which makes their earning systems completely different from the start. By the end, you'll understand how each platform actually generates rewards, what controls your earning speed in both, and which one fits better depending on whether you prefer gaming-only rewards or multitask earning options. Mistplay works by rewarding you with points for playing selected mobile games. You install games from its list, play them, and earn rewards based on time spent and in-game progress. Your earnings depend on how many games are available and how long those games continue rewarding activity. InboxDollars works by paying you small amounts for completing online activities. That includes surveys, promotional emails, app downloads, and limited time offers. Each task shows its payout before you start, so you always know what you're getting into. Mistplay is limited by game availability and progression systems. Once you move through the higher reward stages of a game, your earning rate often slows down until you switch to a new game. InboxDollars is limited by task availability and qualification. Some days you'll find many surveys and offers, and other days fewer high-paying options, which affects consistency. Mistplay is better for users who want passive-style earning through gaming. You don't need to choose between tasks, you just play and collect rewards over time. InboxDollars is better for users who want variety. You can switch between surveys, emails, and offers depending on what is available, which gives more flexibility but also requires more decision-making. Another key difference is consistency. Mistplay earnings build slowly but steadily as long as you keep playing games. InboxDollars earnings fluctuate more because survey qualification and offer availability change frequently. Time investment also differs. Mistplay requires longer gaming sessions to accumulate meaningful rewards. InboxDollars can produce small earnings in short bursts, but reaching higher totals requires completing multiple different tasks. Effort level is different too. Mistplay is low effort once you start playing a game. InboxDollars requires more active checking and selection of tasks to stay efficient. Risk is not financial in either platform, but InboxDollars carries time risk because you can spend several minutes on a survey and still get screened out without earning anything. Quick summary. Mistplay pays through consistent mobile gameplay with slow but steady rewards. InboxDollars pays through mixed online tasks with more variety but less predictable results. If you want simple, game-only earning with minimal decisions, Mistplay is easier. If you want more ways to earn and don't mind switching between tasks, InboxDollars offers more flexibility overall. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear comparison breakdowns like this.